I was at Dungeness Spit earlier, and here I am now at Hurricane Ridge. As you can see, it is snowy up here, but beautiful. Oi! I found the elusive, abominable snowman. That's pretty cool. I didn't do it. Don't blame me. They require chains up here this time of year. Don't ask me if I have any, and I won't lie to you. But I got all-wheel drive, so it's got to count for something. And the road was clear, so if it was not, if it was going to be pretty treacherous, then I was going to turn back around. But hey, third time lucky, finally. Able up here. Let's get a good view of these mountains. I've been waiting to see these 4 times, actually, if you go back 5 years ago. Came up, didn't know you needed a pass at the time, so, because it was during summer, I believe. Warmer weather, that for sure. Oh, wow. It's a beautiful. I'll go slower on the way back. Oh, man. I recommend watching this on TV. These crosswise videos I do. See so much better detail. That's what I do. If you're older like me, you can't, these computers, even phones for sure, but tablets and computers, no, they just can't do it. Anyway, let's head on down a little further here. Was over there just a minute ago. Let's continue to get some video here. This is just beautiful. I get some video behind me too of all the people that are doing the trails and sledding and snowshoeing and skiing and snowboarding. I've seen it all up here already, people carrying stuff. Let me show you over here. Oh, I'm walking on ice. As you can see, people are walking up here. It's just a winter wonderland. There's kids up there playing. There's a visitor center, I guess. It burnt down from fires, from what I understand, a couple years ago. Ugh. Anyway, let's get back over here to beautiful this is. Let's head on down a little further. Coming right on around. Still the Olympic Mountains here. And this is basically going to be the drive from Hurricane Ridge all the way down, basically, for, I don't know, we'll see. You know, to the bottom, I guess. People been skiing up there, all the snowboarding and stuff. That's where the road loops around. In the Olympic Mountains, and over yonder are the Cascades, the Northern Cascades, and I believe that is, Mount Baker, right there. I'm waiting on them cars to get by. There you go. Yeah, Mount Baker. I'm going to eventually make my way over there. Yeah, passed by Glacial Peak this morning. That's to the south, east of Seattle. Well, let's head on down some more. And this is also what you get to drive down in certain spots when you're on the dark side of the mountain. If you don't like it, go tell it on the mountain. Cascades to the east. Mount Baker in the middle. These rocks are volcanic. Don't take my word for it. Take the sign's word. There's the plow they got there to clear the road. Yay, thankful for that being up here so I could finally get up here and see this. If you look over there, Cascades, the North Cascades. Anyway, I think it's about it for this video. I'm gonna get back, kind of enjoy, and I don't know, hit the next stop. I'm gonna head down the coast there, or of the Salish Sea. Go head west to over towards Nia Bay and Cape Flattery, and you know, just wherever. Anyway, get out there and enjoy nature, people. She's out there just waiting on you. Later.